What expectations for program near
Ashanti Festival. Kumawood stars ye be perform ama obi bia ye mpanyin for any ade obi aba be hwe bi.
Then I expecting from you.
Oh, and na dey said na Yesu asole. What you see aha nti ye Yesu da na ni e be ye de a kire. Nti na ne expect say mo hwe mi say Yesu wuye no. Wabeje ye nkwa ama na Sunday. Wasole. Ah, nti no. Obi bia amra.
It was.
No me hwe bi.
All right.
All right.
Hello, mommy. Mommy, you're more cover. Mommy, and then I expecting from you.
Oh, no, I'm a baby. No, I'm a baby. A far Easter, no. And nothing, no. The Easter, so they wouldn't say a yes. New. You be demonstrating. Quite a fast swag. You does nip up one in me. Or ye yes, my. No, so shall say, and when you know, Master coming to me and so.
Can you ask?
And
the Judas a bonus say young.
I know they're just a person who did 3 more. Bra, never share.
That's it. You better. It does. Hello, sir, please, you're welcome.
I'm very fine. How are you? Happy birthday.
Please, what should we expect today?
Oh, come on, we are going to give our best. First time we are combining forces, Kumawood and Kejetia vs Makola, the entire team. We want to thrill Kumasi, we want to thrill Ghana and start something new and something beautiful. So, expect nothing but our very best.
Thank you.
See you soon.
See
Go
you
and
soon.
get ready with your laughing jokes.
Thank you.
If you call my name and I don't see you tonight, the way I'll beat you. Our gym, our barbering salon. Hey, Mojo.
Hello.
This was Helen. Now my wife. This way.
Oh goodness.
So please, you can be here. You can just stand here and talk. Then you go to the
Stand here and talk.
Yes, please, you can hear.
Lamis. Hello, Indies. Spartans. Good evening, Spartans. This is Judge Lamis of Kejetia vs Makola. We are here to invite you to our special show tonight, which is free. We want to thrill the people of KNUST and the people of Kumasi, all for free. Kejetia vs Makola team, plus all the Kumawood stars, giving you the thrill of a lifetime. Don't miss it. The show starts exactly at 7 p.m. and you don't want to miss out. It is free, but the first person to get there gets the seat. So hurry up and get your seat as soon as possible. See you there in some few minutes. Spartans! Good evening, Spartans. This is your tele-judge, Judge Lamis of Kejetia vs Makola. We are here, myself and my team General Tatia, Atodazi, Makola Frani. We are here to invite you to a special show tonight at the CCB auditorium. You cannot miss. It's free of charge. So grab your friend, call your boyfriend, call your girlfriend. Let's meet at the CCB auditorium at 7 p.m. sharp. The first person to get there gets the seat. It's free, but we cannot admit the whole school. So come and let's thrill you. All the Kumawood stars will be present, from Dr. Likee to Kyekyeku to Vivian J. Labroa Mafia. Everybody will be there. Come and let's have fun tonight. We just want to thrill the people of Kumasi. Thanks to the Ashanti Regional Minister. Free. of charge. See you shortly. No, if they are coming individually, there's no problem. It is when they are in their elements.
We are the journalists.
Pax Romana, Pax Romana. Okay. Louis Lamis with General Tatia, Atodazi, Makola, and the entire Kejetia versus Makola team on campus, and the entire Kumawood stars on campus. We are giving a free show tonight at the CCB auditorium. A surprise show, 7 p.m. free of charge. You come first, you get a seat. The place takes only 1,000 people. Already we've reserved some for others. So come early, grab a seat, be thrilled, from Dr. Likee to Abrewa Mafia to Kyekyeku to everybody is ready at the CCB auditorium. 7 p.m. is the time. See you. Come, let's have fun. Let's take some pictures. Let's fraternize and enjoy ourselves. It's all in the name of the Ashanti Fest. Thank you very much, Report. Can't wait to see all of you for a good time. A free comedy show between Kejetia versus Makola team and the entire Kumawood stars at the CCB auditorium, 7 p.m. sharp, free of charge. Call your boyfriend, call your girlfriend. Come, let's, hey! Hey! Take care. Don't let him do that. Let him bring you to the CCB auditorium at 7 p.m. See you, Report, soon. Good evening, Republic Hall. This is your tele-judge, Judge Louis Lamis of Kejetia versus Makola. I am here with General Tatia, Atodazi, Makola, and all the Kumawood stars. We are here to give KNUST and the people of Kumasi a grand show at the CCB auditorium at 7 p.m. and it is free of charge. But the place can only sit less than 1,000 people. Come early, grab a seat for free. From Dr. Likee to Vivian Jill, Abrewa Mafia to Kyekyeku to Wayosi to everybody will be there. Oh, they are actually there right now. So come 7 p.m. Let's have the fun of a lifetime. See you soon. Bring your boyfriend, bring your girlfriend. Bring. Watch your back. Hello, good evening, Report. Good evening, Report. This is Judge Louis Lamis of Kejetia versus Makola. I am here with General Tatia, Atodazi, Makola Frane, Dr. Likee, Wayosi, Abrewa Mafia, Kyekyeku, everybody. We are here to give the people of KNUST a free show at the CCB auditorium. I stress on the fact that the show is free of charge, but the auditorium can only sit 1,000 people. So you come early, you grab a seat, no fights. Free! Free! Today, 7 p.m. right now. My colleagues are at the auditorium. Invite your wife, no, your girlfriend. Invite your girlfriends and your exes. Only one ex. Side chick. No side, no, they don't have side chicks. They have exes. It's purely male now.
This is our next side.
Only male?
Yes, next.
Since when? It's about Judas taking Jesus to court for not treating him well. Come and have the fun of a lifetime. Active. Hello.
Hi, I'm Filo.
It's a host. You know,
our friend about 7. But I think they have a official.
Oh, you should finish Africa and then come to Kings and you move.
Hey,
It's Africa or higher.
Okay.
So what is Africa? That's how I see the existence.
So now where will we?
That's a man from someone. But this is the move on.
I said, now me show power. Let me show you. Let me for number. I'm ready how I saved it.
Hey, we should have starting. Let's chat.
Good evening, Africa Hall. This is Judge Louis Lamis of Kejetia versus Makola. I am here with General Ntatia, Makola Frane, Atodadzi, Wayosi, Dr. Likee, Kyekyeku, Abrewa Mafia, everybody. We are here to give a free show to KNUST at the CCB auditorium. Today, 7 p.m. Once again, it's free of charge, but the place can admit just 1,000 people. Come early, grab a seat, let's meet, have fun, laugh your heart out, and bring your boyfriend and one ex if you have. If you don't have, come alone. I'll be there. I don't have a girlfriend. So, General Tatia doesn't have a girlfriend. Yeah, that is whatever. Boys, move it. It is Judas taking Jesus Christ to court for maltreating him and abusing him. Thank you and see you soon. To the males, the guys, you can bring one girlfriend and one ex at the CCB auditorium. A free comedy show. Come and have fun. All the Kumawood stars, all the Kejetia versus Makola stars, we are having a free show for all of you, the people of KNUST and the people of Kumasi. Come, let's have the fun of a lifetime. Thank you very much. Likee, Kyekyeku, General Tatia, Clemento Suarez, Luis Lam, everybody, free of charge, CCB Auditorium, 7 p.m. tonight. Everybody, this is Judge Louis Lamis here with General Tatia, Clemento Suarez, Likee, Kyekyeku, Abrewa Mafia, and all the Kumawood stars. We are having a free comedy show at the CCB Auditorium at 7 p.m. Once again, it's free of charge, but you have to come early to grab a seat. CCB Auditorium right now. Come, let's have fun. You can bring your girlfriend and your ex. One girlfriend, one ex. No side chicks. The way this lady is laughing, I can smell she wanted to bring a side boy. I'll see you soon.
We are just doing the market.
Okay, good evening, everybody. Good evening. This is Judge Louis Lamis of Kejetia versus Makola. I am here with Clemento Suarez, Clemento Suarez, General Tatia, Dr. Likee, Abrewa Mafia, Kyekyeku. We are having a free comedy show at the CCB Auditorium, 7 p.m. It's a free show. Come, bring your girlfriend, bring your boyfriend, come and sit down and laugh for 2 hours. Your ex, they can bring an ex. Okay, sorry. You can bring your ex, only one ex. Come, let's have fun, take some pictures, and then use it to release stress for your exam. See you soon. This is Judge Luis Lamis. I'm here with General Tatia, Clemente Suarez, Dr. Likee, Kejetia, Abrewa Mafia, and all the Kumawood stars. We are having a free comedy show at the CCB auditorium to thrill you for a successful exam. It is all in connection with the Ashanti Fest. Come, have fun, relax, and then maybe you go home. You can bring your boyfriend or girlfriend and an ex. It is free. Your mother is at home. Let her be at home, please. It is your constitutional right to have item 13. See you at 7 p.m. It's almost 7 p.m., right? Yes. So I am going there to get ready. See you. Come have fun. Call your girlfriend. No, I don't hear girls. Girl, call your boyfriend. This lady is dodging. Call your sugar daddy. Call your boyfriend. Come have fun. See you at the CCB auditorium, 7 p.m. Free.
The guy is like.
This one they have to I'm talking. Oh, they are doing check.
So we can pass here and then do it at this side.
Pass Romana, do they still call?
Is it?
Pass Romana, pass Romana. They still do that? Yes. I said, I'm going to pass Romana. Can I hand you to come for the mic? Let me see that to talk to security. Oh, we are inviting them. I said the first one. Yeah. He's coming.
Hello? Hello?
Let's go to the courtyard.
Okay. Active.
I think we can talk to them from here. We can talk to them from here. I took us
Hello, Indians. Good evening to everybody here. We're here just to let you know that live at the CCB auditorium right now is a live stage play, Kejetia versus Makola, featuring all your favorite Kumawood stars. Come and see all of them. Dr. Likee, Kyekyeku, Vivian Jill, Osman, Michael Afrani, himself. Everybody is there for you this evening.
Are you free, boy?
It's free! So just walk into the CCB auditorium, borrow a rib when you are coming, come and laugh your heart out. It's Kejetia versus Makola live on stage, featuring all your favorite Kumawood stars. Don't miss out on this.